Welcome to our Flutter tutorial series. In this series of videos, we will be learning how to use the Flutter framework to create beautiful and responsive mobile apps. Flutter is an open source framework created by Google that allows developers to build high performance cross platform mobile apps using a single code base. It is based on the Dart programming language and uses a reactive programming model, which making it easy to create apps that look and feel great. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial series is designed to help you learn the basics of Flutter and how to use it to create your own mobile apps. This series will cover the wide range of topics, including setting up your development environment, building a simple app, adding a interactivity and navigation, working with API and data, and adding some customization and features. So, we will start with the basics and gradually build up your knowledge and skill as we progress through the series. By the end of the series, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Flutter to create your own mobile apps. So, if you are ready to dive into the world of mobile application development with Flutter, let's get started. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to guide you through the process of creating amazing apps with Flutter.